Thank you for watching this video. My name is Irina Steenbeek. I am a data management practitioner and managing director of Data Crossroads. I will deliver a 6-hour workshop at the Data Governance Conference Europe in London, organized by IRM UK. The title of this workshop is 5 Steps to Data Management Frameworks. Let me briefly introduce its content and purpose. I communicate with many data management professionals worldwide. They have common questions about data management frameworks and their implementations. First, what is a framework? This is a set of models and methods that allow for implementing a formal data management function. Data management is a multifunctional discipline. Usually, a company implements a common set of data management capabilities like governance, modeling, architecture, and so on. These capabilities have deep interdependencies. However, most well-known data management frameworks don't provide an integrated implementation approach. During this workshop, I'll share my practical experience and demonstrate the 5-step method to set up a data management framework. After conducting this session, participants will know how to scope the feasible data management framework that fits the company's needs and resources, design a set of data management capabilities, including required policies, standards, roles, processes, and information technology tools. They will be able to develop implementation plans, set up key performance indicators to monitor data management performance, and measure maturity at various organizational levels. I hope to see you there.